All right, guys, we're going to do some hydro dipping. We've been seeing a lot of people do this on the internet. You want to do some wood, which we just tried. I don't think it'll work.
I was gonna say, it's all over.
Yeah, like I hydro dip my gloves.
Like we already did it.
Okay, so we got a tub of water. We got mask on because the fumes from the spray paint is so bad. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this paint right here. Ready? Here we go.
A bunch of it.
A bunch of it. Just that, give me a hat. Watch your hair. She's leaning here. Okay. I might have got the wrong paint. Alright. So that looks cool. Feel like we're spraying this. You want to do that one? Or want me to do it?
How much should I do?
A little more. That's good. Let me see your hat. All right. So I want to take that. Here we go. So I want to do the first hat. Here we go. Watch this. Okay. Now move the water out of the way.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look.
Oh.
Wow.
That's so cool. A lot better than
That's beautiful.
A lot better than the wood.
That's a lot better. We tried a piece of wood and the wood just didn't work.
I like that.
You want to do one?
Yes, I want to do mainly pink.
You want to do? Okay, Kenzie's gonna do a hat. Stay in the picture here because we don't have to do it on my phone. I have a lot of frames. All right, so that is the first hydro dip hat. We got this hat off Amazon for like $10. It's a white felt hat. All right, here we go. All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. So, you get your hat ready? Now, Kenzie's gonna do hers. Wow, that was really. You want to do mainly pink?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Any other color?
Yeah, like pink, blue, yellow maybe. Just mainly pink.
Very cool. Hydrant, and then you get a tub of water. You wear the mask. Now you stand in front of the paint.
I'm grabbing the yellow.
Okay.
Ready for the country concert.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing that. What was that concert you were going to that got canceled?
Hometown Rising.
Hometown Rising. It got canceled or postponed.
So
Right?
we're making our own festival.
Yes.
And then maybe pink again, you think? Or blue?
No, blue. All right. So slowly dip it upside down. Okay. All right, slowly dip it in there. Let me do a little more blue. Hold on.
A little more blue?
Or whatever color this is.
Maybe some more pink.
Yeah, more pink. Hold on.
Slowly dip it.
Slowly dip it in. Go ahead. All the way under. Slowly. Okay, take it down. You take that underneath. All right, now go up. Now bring it up and dip. Make sure the water's out when you bring it up. There you go. Bring it up. How'd yours turn out? Wow. Wow. Look at that side there.
Yes, we gotta redo.
That's kind of cool looking.
Should we do some more and do that side?
I don't know. So look at that back though.
That looks so cool.
That's a hydro dip hat.
Should we do some more on this side, you think?
I don't know if you could do it. I think if I were you, I would just do this.
Oh, yeah.
A little pink. A little touch up.
Yeah. That's cool.
Look at that. That's called hydro dipping. We tried to hydro dip some wood earlier. Yeah, you know what? It didn't work as well as I thought. We're gonna do the whole baseboard in her room. I think we gotta spray it with some kind of primer. So it's over here.
You know,
So here are the two hats. Here are the two hats that we've got.
that looks really good.
Yeah, these are the two hats that we hydro dip. Check it out. That could be your thumbnail right there, baby. Check it out. Nice.